Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EDUTECH. I am Prashant Jadhav. Today we are watching some GK questions and now I am starting my session. Listen carefully and pay attention. So I am starting my session. First question: who is known as the Iron Man of India? The first question: who is known as the Iron Man of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the Iron Man of India. Second question: who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? This is the second question. And now we are watching the second question answer. Indira Gandhi was the first woman Prime Minister of India. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? This is the third question. And now we are watching this third question answer. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar is known as the father of Indian Constitution. This is the third question answer. And now we are watching the fourth question. Who was the first woman president of India? Pratibha Tai Patil. This was the first woman president of India. This is the fourth question answer. And now we are watching the fifth question. What is the national animal of India? The tiger is the national animal of India. This is the fifth question answer. And now we are watching the last question. What is the national bird of India? This is the last question. Peacock is the national bird of India. Peacock is the national bird of India. So we have watched today some GK question, and now I have completed my session. So I wish you will enjoy my lecture and support me. Namaskar.